Azi Cosmetics Varnish Shower Kit, developed exclusively for duller, thicker hair. 1 liter moisturizing shampoo and restorative kilo mask. And we also have the home care version. Mask and leave-in shampoo. How to use it? Wash with shampoo twice, rinse, apply restorative mask, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, spread well with fine comb, and no need to use heat to activate the mask. Rinse and brush hair well brushed. And at home, you will use the home care line twice a week. Mask shampoo, and to finish, you can use the leave-in natural organic as cosmetic line. Moisturizing shampoo with Ojon Macadamia Argan, and we have a collagen mask professional version. Mode of use: wash with shampoo twice, apply mask with collagen tea effect, leave to act for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse and finish as desired. And for your client who has the lightest hair, she will take home and use the shampoo, the mask, and can finish with the leave-in. It will not make the hair heavy.